Hello everyone and welcome to Mr. Erik's cooking class. As you heard, my name is Mr. Erik and today we are going to make a simple dish for breakfast or a little snack. So what we need some bread, some blueberries, some raspberries, and some pretzels. So as you see here, mini pretzels. And of course, some slices of apple. All right, so you can see here, Mr. Erik has prepared a little bit first. So you can see here, pretzels, apple, blueberries, and raspberries. So first of all, we have to remember before we start making anything, we have to wash and clean our fruits, right? So Mr. Erik has already cleaned the raspberries, the blueberries, and the apple. So first, we're going to start off with a slice of bread. And we're going to make it look like a hippopotamus. That means we need a cutting board and a knife. So let's see if Mr. Erik can cut it like a hippopotamus. So we cut up one side first. And then the other side. Maybe this thing, you need to ask mommy and daddy for a little bit help, because the knife is very sharp and you don't want to cut yourself. Let's see if Mr. Erik can do this. Ay, ay, ay. Well, it kind of looked like something could be like a hippopotamus. Let's see. Let's see here. What do you think? Does it look like the head of a hippopotamus? Let's see if we can make it look like one. All right. So first, what we need a couple of eyes. So that's where we bring out the blueberry. We cut the blueberry into two, like this. And then we have two eyes, which we put right there. All right. And then we need two raspberries, two small ones. So what we're going to do, we're going to cut off the top of the raspberry, because we don't need the bottom, we just need the top. We cut up this one like this, and then we stick them right about here. And take a look at this. Does it start to look like a hippopotamus? We need one more thing. We need to put in some ears. So we're going to put the ears, sticking it more or less right here. So you don't have to use pretzels. You can do different things. But Mr. Erik, he chose to use pretzels. Right there. Oh, there we go. Let's take a look. What do you think? Does this look like a hippopotamus? Yum, yum, yum. This looks so good. All right. So now we're finished with our hippopotamus. Then we need to make some snacks, right? Some fruits that we can snack on. So that's where we need our apple. So Mr. Erik is going to take two pieces of apple here. And then what he's going to do, so two slices. And then he's going to take one raspberry. We start with this one. We cut it right in between here. So we cut it right into like this. Oops. Then we get two pieces like this. We only need one, and that one we put right there. So this is going to be the tongue. So this, what we're going to make now, is a little apple monster. Okay, so our apple monster, he needs some teeth. So we take some small pieces of pretzel, like very, very small, that Mr. Erik can cut up, and we stick them inside the apple like this. Let's see if I have another good piece. And here. So right now we have the lower piece of the jaw here. There. with the teeth and the tongue sticking out. Now we need to do the top. So what we're going to do, we need some more pretzels because we need some more teeth. So Mr. Erik, stick the pretzels inside like this. This might be a little bit hard. And let's see, we need one more right there. All right, maybe the teeth are going to be a little bit loose, but let's see what's going to go happen now. Take this one like this. You see, looks like it has teeth. Put them like that. Wow, look at that. Starting to look like something, right? And then we need eyes. Our little apple monster needs some eyes. So we take a blueberry and then we cut it into two small pieces, and then we stick them right here. One, and whoops, two. And let's take a look what we have. There we have our, well, let's see, I can bring it in front of the camera. Let's see what we have. Oh, there is our apple monster, and there is our hippopotamus. See, that was so easy, and it's super fun to do. So this one you can also do at home. But remember, if you're going to use a knife, be very, very careful, all right? Because this one is very sharp, and we don't want to cut ourselves. So, good luck at home, and I hope you try this one out, and it tastes delicious. Bye-bye.